A good day for the counter ohm metals and those invested in it. Stock up a whopping 13% early in trade as the news came out that they have gotten an order. That stock cooled off from the day's high, but still a whopping 7% higher today. They've got a big order coming in from the Uttar Pradesh government. Let's connect with the management. Vikas Kothari is on the phone line with us. He's president of Ohm Metals. Vikas, thank you so much for joining us. What does this order entail and the value of it from the UP government that you've recently bagged?
The order value.
All right, I think we have a bad line with Vikas there, but that's the stock up for us, 17%. I want to address the flash at the bottom of the screen right now. A relief coming in for Glenmark. Supreme Court says they can manufacture and sell the anti-diabetes drug that they were barred by Delhi High Court till the April 28th. They moved SC against the bar on sale and manufacturing of 2 antibiotics day thing, and it's sought the say of Delhi High Court drug barring for the Zeta and A and Zeta Med. That's the thing, and that's Glenmark stock for you, getting that temporary nod at least from Supreme Court. Merck, however, had alleged that Glenmark blatantly infringed on the worldwide patent. And is the one actually protesting against Glenmark going ahead and introducing these drugs in the market, which had put a bit of pressure on the Glenmark stock. That stock up about 0.5% in trade today. Let's check on SpiceJet as well, because that's had a legal tangle as well in trade today. SpiceJet, Delhi High Court has gone ahead and said that the DGCA cannot deregister the aircrafts, the 6 aircrafts that have come under dispute with the lessor up till April 7th, till when the next hearing will happen. Let's also check on Sun Pharma. That stock ran backsy as well, which has been in focus today because of that big mega merger coming in. But the big stock or metals, I think we've got Vikas back on the phone line with us. Mr. Kothari, thank you so much. A big bit of disturbance on the line there. 192 or 94, I heard you say about the order. When is the execution likely to begin, and how long will it take?
So this order that we received from Irrigation Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh, is 194 crores, and it is to be executed over the next 33 months, so over the next 2.5 years. And basically what it entails is construction of a long dam along with hydromechanical equipment. So we are going to be doing entire EPC construction for this dam there.
Okay. What kind of margins are you working with right now, Vikas? If not for this particular project, I ask in general, what are the margins that you're working with currently?
So our engineering, we have 2 business verticals partly. Yeah. One is engineering construction and the other one is real estate development. In our engineering construction business, we are in a highly monopolistic line of business for especially when it comes to hydromechanical equipment, where we do 20 contracts for hydromechanical equipment. There, our gross margins are over 20%, 20 to 25% is what we command in the engineering construction business.
What about upcoming, what are you looking at, Vikas, in terms of irrigation has been a big focus point. Agriculture, we've heard some reports in early monsoon, Shah's been too heavy. There are reports that there's an El Nino formation as well. What's the outlook as we go into the monsoon season?
So irrigation, is both for agriculture as well as flood control, and now they're also talking about river linking projects. So we see a big investment happening by the governments, by all the state governments as well as central government corporations, both on irrigation as well as on there's a big talk on the river linking projects also. So there will be a lot of canal systems that the government of India will be spending money on. So we see a good pipeline of orders coming in. A lot of inquiries are already in our hands. So we expect a good year this year, in terms of our order book addition.
All right, Vikas, thanks for that. That's Vikas Kothari of Ohm Metal stock up very smartly. Over the last 1 year, in fact, the stock's up a whopping 110%. Quite a favorite of the market at this point. That's the 1 year chart coming up. In fact, I think we can connect with Ashpreet now, who's had a hectic day in the legal tangles that are ongoing at the Supreme Court. Ashpreet, relief for Glenmark coming in, fill us in.
Well, yes, what has come as a relief from Glenmark is the Supreme Court order, where the Supreme Court has stayed the Delhi High Court order that had barred the company from selling and manufacturing of 2 anti-diabetic drugs, which are Zeta and Zeta Med. Remember, Delhi High Court had said that they find that Glenmark has infringed upon the patent that Merck had for these anti-diabetes drugs. However, the Supreme Court has stayed it, allowing Glenmark to go ahead and manufacture these drugs and even sell. Remember, Delhi High Court had allowed Glenmark to sell the existing stocks, which still remains, but we'll have to wait and see what happens on April 20th. What lawyers seem to be saying is that other companies are also following suit. They will approach the Supreme Court. Sun Pharma has already approached the Supreme Court, so we'll have to wait and see what happens on April 28th when the matter is taken up again. Back to you.
Well, it's a temporary relief till April 28th. Thanks for that. But it's a big day for pharma. Across the board news. Bad news for Ipca. Merger complete for Sun Pharma, Ranbaxy. But unfortunately, that's all the time we have on Market Pulse. All the action on the markets will be taken up by Countdown. Priyanka Nabha on the other side.